In this video, we show how to replace the M.2 BOSS module on a PowerEdge XR4510c sled. Before removing the M.2 BOSS module, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the XR4510c service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove the M.2 BOSS module, you must first remove the cover. To remove the cover, while pressing the two blue release tabs, rotate and lift the cover. To remove the M.2 BOSS module, loosen the captive screw that secures it to the system board. Holding the blue tab, lift the module to free it from the system board connector. To remove the M.2 SSD from the BOSS module, remove the screw that secures it in place. Then, lift the SSD and pull it from the slot. To install the M.2 SSD, align and insert it into the connector on the BOSS module. Then secure the SSD with a screw. To install the M.2 BOSS module, align and insert it into the connector on the system board. Press down to ensure it is fully seated. Finally, tighten the captive screw on the BOSS module to secure it to the system board. To install the cover, align the cover with the T-nuts on the sled. Rotate and press down on the top cover until the cover locks into place. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.